have started on the concrete pad. Had David Crete Lyfe Concrete come in today and leveled it out as best we can. This is going to be the sidewall. Got all the rebar in it. And then my back wall is going to be pretty tall. Let's see, this is taller than my hip. Right there. So this is going to be this will be the top of the concrete wall. And this will be the RV garage side. And this will be the car garage side. Look pretty cool. Getting the gravel tomorrow. I'm going to flip this around. And the other thing is, I've noticed the cracks have gotten bigger right here, especially where I had my RV sitting. We are going to cut straight across right here over to there, and this whole concrete pad is going to be brand new, going up to my garage door. So I will have a perfect spot to just be able to drive my RV right in through that door. This will be the car garage side. We're gonna do a slight curve to that point of that building. So I'll have more concrete pad here right after my drain. So we're going to curve it out a little bit and go from there. We got pulled out 3 posts in the yard also. Used to be an old fence. Got that one also. It's looking good.